Good morning. It's Saturday morning. It is, what time is it? Like probably way later. We were trying to leave by 8. It's 8:15. Ugh. Okay, we're gonna go to hotel breakfast, which I'm pretty excited for. It looked really good. We're going to Animal Kingdom today, and I got a poo yesterday.
Our fast pass for Everest already started, so that's where we're headed right now.
Once on board, secure all.
Dinosaurs, our second fast pass. That's where we're headed right now.
Definitely didn't expect to be this tired. So I feel like I need to find some caffeine and then wake up.
The only downside, in my opinion, to having a fast pass to Dinosaur is that you don't get to stop and read all the artifacts and stuff. Like, you don't have time because, well, at least in our experience, the fast pass has been actually fast. That's really downside to me because I think that stuff is really interesting.
For sure, yeah, it's like a little mini museum.
Yeah.
Items in the pouch in front of you. Fasten your seatbelt and remain seated with your hands on.
Oh, he hit me in the head. Really? Yeah.
And it's pretty amazing.
Do you see the blue macaw?
When they actually take flight, you can have
Oh my gosh. And we just saw like a parrot show thing, and we didn't expect that. We just walked past it. It was so cool.
Yeah. It was really awesome. Jacob got hit, like, not hit, but like...
He flew over me from behind, and his claws, the back of his claws hit me in the head. It was crazy.
It's awesome.
They flew right over us.
Yeah, it's really cool. Alright, we're gonna go have lunch now. Headed into Pandora for lunch. We're gonna have lunch at the Suzuki Canteen.
Yeah.
It's one of our favorite restaurants in Animal Kingdom, I think, because the food is like, it's so filling. The protein bowls, is that what they call them?
Yeah, yeah. And they're healthy.
They're so filling and they're pretty healthy, so that's where we're headed for lunch. Yeah. We already mixed it up.
I think it looks great. So we got potatoes. We got red sweet potatoes.
Yeah, red sweet potato
as the
hash.
base. And then chicken, grilled chicken as the protein. And then chimichurri.
Yep. And they
some-
put like a broccoli slaw in there, and then some like bobas. I don't know where the bobas went, but they're in there somewhere.
They are.
And then we got a tea and a water. We didn't get a dessert this time because we've already had the blueberry dessert, and it's like $6, and we thought maybe not, but it's really good. You should get it. The blueberry dessert. We don't know about the chocolate cake. We've never gotten it,
We
but
can put our video in from honeymoon.
yeah, we'll put that clip in like now.
It's so jiggly. It's apple inside. Look.
Oh wow.
All right, I'm gonna dip.
Blueberry, right?
I'm gonna. Yeah, I'm gonna dip it in this.
Lemon,
I think it's passion fruit. It said.
passion fruit.
I'm gonna dip it. Ready?
Yep. And what is that? Do you know?
Nope.
Cool.
No idea. Okay.
Yeah, good.
It tastes like I get blueberry at the end, but it mostly tastes like the mango key lime cheesecake at Cheesecake Factory.
Ooh.
That's what it tastes like.
Bet that's good.
But then you get blueberry at the end. It's really good.
How was the bowl?
Delicious. It was very potatoey, which I like, and the chicken is almost charred, and it's really good. It's like a blackened chicken, you know.
Yeah, I agree. It was awesome. We finished it for sure.
It's definitely something you can share. If you're starving, you could get to, but I feel like it's definitely something you can share.
Yep.
Now I'm sleepy. So we're gonna go back to the hotel, take a nap, relax, and then I think we're gonna have dinner at Epcot.
Epcot for Food and Wine Festival and World Showcase.
Yeah, I think we're just gonna like have a really chill night. Yesterday wore me out.
The last 2 days, we've been up till 2 a.m. twice in a row. First, we didn't plan it. That was a mess. And then last night was Mickey's Not So Scary, which was a blast also. So we have just been pushing ourselves. Nap time.
Yeah.